The heat often makes us tired in summer, not when Emil moves in with you. Emil not only cools down the air, he also looks stylish and takes up very little space. Everything is included in the scope of delivery. You will find a set for the window sealing so that the air conditioner is ready for use in no time without drilling or screws, an exhaust and drainage hose, 2 air inlet filters, as well as a remote control for convenience control from the sofa. Emil is ideal for rooms up to 35 square meters. This makes him suitable for air conditioning of living and workspaces. The refrigerant used operation is only permitted in rooms from 12 square meters. This is for safety reasons in the event of a refrigerant leak. You can use the speed button to control the speed of the fan inside the air conditioner. There are 2 levels. And if you want to change the direction of the airflow, simply move the slider on the front of the device to the left or right. The air conditioner Emil cools the room air to the desired temperature. This can be set using the plus and minus buttons. Once the desired temperature has been reached, the air conditioner switches off automatically to prevent unnecessary running time. You can control Emil either directly on the device via remote control or on the move via the app. The temperature can be monitored and controlled from anywhere, so you can look forward to a pleasant room climate as soon as you get home. Emil has a practical 1 to 9 hour switch-off timer. You can set up a 24-hour timer including a weekly schedule in the app. Emil is more than just an air conditioner. He offers 3 modes. Cooling mode ensures that the air is pleasantly cooled and switched on by default. In dehumidification mode, Emil reduces the humidity in the air. In fan mode, Emil works like a fan and provides a refreshing breeze. The air conditioner Emil is also ideal for the bedroom. You can choose between 2 different modes so that the brightness of the lights doesn't bother you. Press the button once and the LEDs are dimmed to 30%, the display is switched off and the button sounds are deactivated. Want to use Emil in a different room? No problem. The practical transport casters ensure that he can be used flexibly. To avoid dust accumulation, the air inlet, air outlet and exhaust air outlet should be cleaned regularly. The air inlet is equipped with 2 filters. You can remove these and clean them with a damp cloth. You can also wipe the exhaust air hose, the exhaust air hose adapter and the window sealing with a damp cloth. They must then dry thoroughly. If you have any questions about Emil or would like more advice, then feel free to contact our Stadler Form customer service. Now we wish you a nice summer. Bye! See you next time!